Once new quote is selected, the customer information tab will appear. Enter the company info. This information will show on the top right side of the quote. The contact email will be the email the quote is sent to. Enter in the company address. If the service location is the same as the company address, leave the switch green. If the service location is different from the company address, click the switch and it will give fields to allow for a service location to be entered. Select the salesperson who is quoting the deal and click Create Quote. Once Create Quote is clicked, the agent will be directed to Fun Stuff, where they will enter in the services and equipment that will appear on the quote. See a list of all the proposals for the quote. Click Add another proposal to create a second proposal for the customer. See a breakdown of each proposal. Revisions made to each proposal, monthly recurring charges, non-reoccurring charges, monthly recurring commission, non-reoccurring commission, and the tracking ID. When there are multiple proposals, an arrow will point to the proposal that is currently selected. Any changes that are made will affect that proposal. Next to the proposal name, there are three options. Click the blue proposal name to open that proposal and edit it. Click the icon with the two green squares to duplicate it. Click the red trash can to delete the proposal. Edit the proposal term, 3-year term, 1-year term, month to month. Add a personal note that will show to the right of the proposal in the top section. This note is to help the agent stay organized. Change the revision number to notify how many revisions have been made to the proposal. Enter in the monthly service charges for the customer. Enter in the amount of users the customer will have on each package. Each standard user comes with a local DID, unlimited calling, business SMS, access to the mobile app, voicemail, and voicemail to email notifications. Pro users get the same package as standard in addition to global extension plan, virtual fax, Beehive communicator, automatic call recording, and call catch. Select the user model the customer will be quoted for. Seat model charges customers based on the amount of seats. Call path model charges customers $10 a user and $30 per call path. Call paths are charged at a 3-to-1 ratio. So if the customer has 21 users, they will be billed for 21 seats at $10 each and 7 call paths at $30 each. Metered is only available on the per seat model. Metered users have access to the mobile app, voicemail, voicemail to email notifications, and a per message charge for business SMS. Discounts can be applied to any of the services. Select a specific dollar amount or percentage to discount. The total for the selected model will show at the bottom in green. To add additional local numbers, select the option under Cloud Services. Turn the switch to green to enable additional numbers. Each user gets a DID and will show as included numbers. To add additional numbers at $2, enter in the desired amount under quantity. The right-hand side will show total number, both included and additional. If the customer has or needs toll-free service, select the toll-free option and turn the switch to green. Each toll-free number will be $5. Enter in the quantity of toll-free numbers they need. Select the model, either metered or packaged. For metered pricing, the rate is 3 cents a minute. Packages allow you to choose between 5 different packages. Select the desired tier and it will be added to the quote. The next service is faxing. Each fax box is $25. Enter the quantity of fax boxes the customer needs. Do not forget to add the ATA in the equipment section if the customer will be using traditional fax machines. If the customer has pro users, each pro user will get a virtual fax. Conferencing is $10 a month. Select the quantity the customer needs and add it to the quote. If customers will be using contact centers, enter in the amount of agents. Additional services can also be added to the quote. Call tracking for the account is $50. Each additional attended menu is $10. For customers using elastic trunking, turn on this service. The minimum amount of trunks is 5. Select the trunk type, either unlimited or metered. Unlimited have a limit of 30 trunks. 31 or more seats require the review of a sales architect Metered customers may have as many concurrent calls as they do paths. Additional concurrent calls, bursting, are billed at the standard rates. 4G LTE failover is for voice data only. Make sure to add the edge device under the equipment section if the customer is getting 4G LTE failover. The next tab over is the equipment tab. Click Add Equipment, select the type and make, then select the device you need to add to the quote. Edit the price and quantity. Select the sales tax options, shipping within the state of California, shipping outside of California, or tax exempt. If the customer needs to be quoted for internet, please email this email address. Indicate the service location, desired speed, and term. The internet team will communicate the above information and update the quote as needed. For customers getting professional installations, turn the switch to green. Select the installation type, whether it is a one-site installation or multiple sites. The minimum charge is $750. Agents can mark it up by 3 times. Once the quote is saved and ready to send, go to the Ready to Send tab. Choose the default template or a custom template. Create or edit templates on the My Email Template option on the homepage dropdown. Email subject. This is the subject line of the email that will send to the customer. Click Edit to change the subject line. Email content. This is the body of the message that will send to the customer. Click Edit to change the body of the message. A list of all the proposals for this customer will appear under Proposals. Select the specific proposal to send to the customer. Quote attachments. Add additional attachments to the quote. Common attachments are the MSA, LOA, toll-free LOA, or the Cloud PBX or SIP trunk exhibits. Once everything is set, check the box next to Email Quote and click Email Quote. The agent will get a copy of the email that was sent and will be emailed when the customer e-signs the quote. The agent portal makes it easy for agents to create quotes and send them to the end user.